Right, so good morning traders. Windsor Kutsia, aka Mr. Mayor Forex Trading, and of course on Facebook it's called Forex Hangout. Please go join the Facebook page as well. It's an open page where you can paste your trade ideas and your trading style. Alright, so ladies and gents, you guys know that I've got the NZD open, that I have opened, and it's running on, it's the NZD JPY. It's running at a $6 profit. I did move my stop loss down to profit. So I am currently $4 that I am up on this trade. If it continues to break down further, then I will be in profit even more. Alright, so that's the NZD JPY. I did discuss it, and I discussed in length why I jumped into this trade. Now I also want to show you this another trade I jumped in. It's of course the Aussie USD. Reason is the USD is not doing good at all, the US dollar. So I saw an opportunity. Now I've got my trading open here of the trades I took on this one. Now there was a little bit of a mess around that I did. Alright, so this is a trade that I put in. That's at $21. So I did a buy here, and it took my stop loss, well, my take profit right over there. That was a nice trade. Then I did put a sell position in, and I had the stop loss just above these ones over here. Unfortunately, it did take my stop loss. That was, I think, a $2 or $1.60 loss that I took there. And then I reassessed the situation, and I saw, okay, I had my supply and demand zone at the wrong place. So I just moved my supply and demand zone to the right place, and then I said, all right, let me wait for an opportunity. Then I saw an opportunity here. I saw rejection, and on this candle I placed another sell position in, and I jumped out of it there because it went to the 61% retracement on the retracement tool. And now from there I waited for it to jump back. I wanted to jump into this trade, but remember there was a lot of news that came out, so I decided not to jump into the trade here when I saw this rejection. I did not. I waited for it to go back into the zone and either get rejected or break through the supply and demand. Now I saw rejection candles, I saw rejection, and I saw, okay, it is being rejected. So then I looked for a next place where I will want to jump into this trade. And I did notice that there's a nice supply, well, support and resistance over here. Now this line is a nice resistance line. It has been tested a couple times. So I decided that, you know what, I can see buyers are waiting here by the long wicks. So I know in this zone there are buyers here. So I decided, when price came back into the zone and I saw it touched the zone and it got nice rejected, I saw a nice rejection candle over there. I waited for the next candle to open and I put a buy order in. The reason I'm doing buy is because the Aussie is doing better than the US dollar. The US dollar is battling at the moment. So my stop loss is there, just below that lowest candle that I can see there. That is almost a $3 loss, but it's small compared to the account. I haven't put a take profit in because I am of the right mind that this trade is going to break through this supply and demand zone now. Alright, so let's keep an eye on this. Today's date, of course, is the 3rd of Feb. It's Friday, the 3rd of Feb, 2023. This is the trades that I'm in, and this is the trades that I'm doing. And I've just had a short explanation of what I was looking for and when I jumped into this trade. I always look for rejection candles first. Long wicks, then I make my decision on that. And I can see that there's long wicks there. That's how I know that there are buyers in this zone. There are people buying in this zone. That's why I decided to jump into this trade. Exactly with the NZD JPY as well. I jumped into this trade somewhere around here. I jumped into it. Oh yes, at the 61% retracement level. I waited for price to come up to the 61. I saw a rejection and then I jumped into this trade. And so far it's doing good. That's my trading for today so far, and I hope you guys have a good one. Cheers.